Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Italian margarita. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your serving glass. You'll need a cocktail shaker, ice, and a few simple items from your liquor cabinet and pantry. Rim your glass with sugar for that classic touch. This easy method ensures a delicious drink every time, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started on crafting this delightful beverage. For the perfect Italian margarita, combine 2 ounces of tequila, preferably a Blanco, with 1 ounce of rich amaretto. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. Finally, include 1/2 ounce of simple syrup to balance the flavors with a touch of sweetness. These precise measurements ensure a consistently delicious cocktail. Now it's time to mix your drink. Fill your cocktail shaker generously with ice before pouring in your measured ingredients. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This chills and properly dilutes your margarita. Then, strain the well-mixed liquid into your prepared, sugar-rimmed glass, ensuring a smooth pour. To finish your Italian margarita, add a simple garnish. A fresh lime wedge or a vibrant maraschino cherry makes a lovely addition. Serve your beautifully crafted drink immediately to enjoy it at its peak coolness and flavor. Remember to savor this delightful cocktail responsibly. Cheers to your easy and delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.